It's hard to see what happened. What are you guys doing? How'd you get out? This is not good. Welcome to daily video number 90 here on the Costa Rican Ranch. These guys are supposed to be way over there in the pasture. Come on. This morning we've had the Angus get out and we've had another white Brahmin get out. Oh, no. Oh, okay. They got out this metal gate over here. They know where they're supposed to be. It's just open enough they should be able to get in there. Idiot. Oh. No! What are you doing? Alright, well, there's another gate over there. I'm gonna go open. Treat some cows for screw worms, and we had a bunch of cows break 5 to 6 gates. And one of them jumped that gate, obviously kicked it a bit and broke that latch we have. What are you doing? I'm just gonna let them in through here. We're already off to a crazy morning on Monday, but it didn't start. Our week started on Sunday. Well, no, I take that back. It started on Saturday. We treated one cow. Get in front of him. All right, we treated one cow for screw worms Saturday, and then we treated another. It was a bull calf, like barely a calf, big. I wouldn't even call him a calf. Get him, Clyde. Oh. Go, Clyde, let's go. Get him. Oh. Good boy. Then Sunday we treated that bull for screw worms. Both had them in the hoof. The same right hoof, I believe. And now today we're dealing with a lot of cows getting out of fences. The gates that were broke. What's up, Big D? Here's the bull calf that we have here. Not the one that had. Oh no! Big D. Either a bat bit him or Big D right there, or he caught himself on the barbed wire on the fence. We definitely got to spray that with Cyprochlor so he doesn't get screw worms like the other cows. Oh no, what happened, bud? At least it didn't get his eye. I think a bat might have bit him right on the top of his eye. Alright. I gotta go get the Cyprochlor. It's hard to see what happened. I think a bat bit him. I'm not too sure. At least it didn't get his eye. His eye looks all good. That was a close call, Big D. If I don't spray that with Cyprochlor, which is a antibacterial spray, it'll keep bugs away. Fly larvae will get in there and it'll grow screw worms, which is a flesh-eating worm. Alright, now I'm gonna get Cyprochlor, and then I'm gonna fill up this water for them. They did drink a good amount. We've been using this antibacterial cyperchlor spray so much we barely have any left. We need to get some more. All right, come here, Big D. What sucks is I hope he closes his eye because it's gonna sting if I get it in there. Trying to start from the top down so I don't get it in. I don't know what happened. I'm so close, right on his eyelid. Oh, there we go. Got some on there. Okay, got some, and I don't think it got it in his eye, but I for sure got it on the bottom lid. Ooh, I think it did get it in his eye. I think he'll be able to wipe it away, but at least we got some on there. I think he should be good. Looks like he's got a black eye now because of that spray is purple. Oh, y'all good, bud? That probably stings. On top of all that, we've had this turkey. I think he got injured by a pig. He went in the pig's area and let's see, he seems to be doing better. I think that was Friday. I never showed any of the turkey, but Friday, Corey put him in here. Here comes the water. I better dump this out. Clean her out a bit. Well, this isn't good. Big D seems like he's anemic. And we don't have any syringes left, so we gotta go and get some needles. And he just seems way too sluggish. He's not doing good. I think this, whatever bite he got from that bat, I think just pushed him into being not good. So we gotta do something quick. Okay, so here I've got 10 cc's of iron and 2 cc's of ivermectin. I'm gonna give Big D. Good to see Big D up and drinking.
That was stimulated that.
Mm-hmm.
In his neck. Alright, there's a triangle in here. This is a muscle
Mm-hmm.
that you want to put it in.
Which one first? Doesn't matter.
Don't matter. You stick it right in there.
Pinch
Stick
it
it all the way in. No, you don't have to. You stick it.
halfway.
You stick it in like this.
Okay.
And then squeeze it in like this.
It's like glue.
Yeah. And stop. You gotta.
There's some air.
You gotta.
Okay.
Stick that back in there.
Now the 10 cc's of iron.
Okay, right in there.
There we go. That went way better than I thought it would. Oh, look at all the ticks on his backside. By his balls.
Yeah, he's cold. It wasn't like that was it yesterday that you did that with him?
Yeah, I didn't see those. Oh yeah, halter breaking him. I saw. Now I'm thinking A7 has a bunch of ticks on his balls because A7 balls look black. Yeah, they aren't like cancerous or nothing, right? Okay. Yeah. All right.